南阳小学因为有多名学生生病，一些班级采取了2天的居家学习方案。
受访医生则表示，出现发烧、感冒和咳嗽症状的儿童，求诊人数有所增加。
南阳小学学生的家长星期一收到通知，指学校自上个星期五有数起发烧、咳嗽和喉咙痛病例。作为预防措施，校方鼓励学生这个星期上学时佩戴口罩。校方已经安排部分学生居家学习，并消毒校舍和减少群体活动。受访家长表示，7岁女儿拿了3天病假。
Sunday she had started having a sore throat as well, so we kept her at home on Monday, and subsequently on Monday, my younger one who doesn't go to Nanyang also started having a running nose.
受访医生表示，过去2个星期因为感冒前去求诊的儿童人数增加30%，但是家长无需太担心。
Because of the pandemic, we are more aware of acute respiratory tract infections now, and I believe that parents are less inclined to allow their kids to go to school if they have an upper respiratory tract infection.
就综合诊疗所的数据来看，同去年同期相比，今年首3个星期也有更多的成年人受到急性呼吸道感染。